Welcome back to Cousin John Car Stuff. My license plate bulb on the other side had burned out. I read on forums and looked on and saw a description of how to replace it, but I couldn't find any videos on YouTube. What I did find was taking off the inner trunk liner and getting at it from inside the trunk. So this is what I'm putting to use from what I saw on forums. Put some tape right there. Get the screwdriver, narrow flat bladed screwdriver in, and give it a good push. And don't be afraid of breaking it, because you've got metal clips that hold this in, and the replacement license plate bulbs are 168. We just unscrew this, and then what I discovered was just rocking the bulb back and forth, side to side, back and forth, and if need be, take something like tape for extra grip, and out it comes. And I always like to replace my bulbs in pairs, because if one goes, the other may not be far behind. So then we take the new one out, pop in the new bulb as such. But I thought, gee, that was easy to do, and I should really make a video of this. Now it's just a case of getting the tabs and connections lined up. There we go. Take off the tape. And you can put tape over the screwdriver blade. As you can see, there's a couple little scratches right there. Not a problem though, because now the scratches are covered up. Got both license plate bulbs replaced. Quick, easy, and simple, and we're done. So hopefully this helps, especially the trick with the tape over the bulb and just rock it. Rock the bulb back and forth, side to side a bit, and out it should come. So, thanks for stopping by. Have a good one. Hope this helps. Please like, share, and subscribe if you would. I'd be appreciative. Until next time, we'll see you Wednesday.